Welcome to this video. Today we will guide you through on how to install WhatsApp on your Android device. So the first thing we need to make sure of is that you're connected to the internet, either through Wi-Fi or cellular data. So after that, what we do is select and go to Google Play Store and make sure that you're signed in. Then what we will do is go to the bottom right and select search. Then we will go to the top bar and search for WhatsApp. Here it is, we select that. Here we have the WhatsApp app, which has more than 200 million reviews and has been installed more than 10 billion times. And we select install. Once it has finished installing, we can open it by selecting open. And there you have it. We have installed WhatsApp on our Android device. If you find this helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.